Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video we'll go over how we can use the ID element in HTML. So the ID element is used to specify a unique identity to any HTML element. This ID can be used to point that element with CSS, and it can also be used by JavaScript. So we can get started. It's very similar to what we did in the last HTML video with classes. So we can get started. So let's say we create ourselves a header, and now we'll give it an ID, and we can name it any. Let's say we do header, and then we can just write this is my header. Now let's say if we have ourselves another header, we do h1. Then we'll write this is my second header. So we have ourselves two headers. One has the ID and one of them doesn't. Now if we go to our style sheet that we have linked right here on line 6. Now with classes, we use the period, but with IDs we are going to be using the hashtag. So we're going to do a hashtag, and then we need to specify the ID that we have. So we have header. So we have hashtag, then we'll do a header. Now all our CSS will be going in here. So let's say we want to change our background color. We'll change it to, I don't know, what is a good color? Let's say aqua. Then we can change the color. We'll change that to black for the text. Padding, we can add a bit of padding. And I'll add, let's say we just do 20 pixels. If we save that, now if we go to our page, to our website that we have, so here it is, and if we refresh that, you can see only the header that had the ID gets affected by the CSS, because this second header does not have the ID that we specify in the first header, meaning any CSS that we do to this header will not be affected by this one. We can have ourselves a second ID, for example. We can have ourselves header 2. I'll change this to header 1 then. Then we do header 1. We can copy this into here. And we can change the background color of this. Let's say we can change it to, we'll do blue. Then if we save this, we have ourselves two headers with two different IDs and two different CSS. Then if we go back to our page, we refresh this, you can see now this is again affected. So that's about it for the HTML element ID. Hope you enjoyed this video, hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.